Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2019 keeps crashing on launch on Steam. So let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and find out how to fix this issue, make sure you watch the video up until the end. But anyways, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is simply make your way over to Steam, look for Call of Duty Modern Warfare, right click on it, hit properties, and then go over to installed files, and then go ahead and select verify integrity of game files. Once that's done verifying, you guys can go ahead and restart Steam by clicking on Steam in the top left and hitting exit, and then reopening up Steam. This way, this like restarts Steam in a way. So once that's back open, you guys can try launching the game, and you can check to see if that helps fix the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is by going over to Device Manager. From Device Manager, make your way over to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU, hit Update Driver, and then go ahead and choose Search Automatically for Drivers. Once that's done updating, you guys can restart your PC, and you can also check to see if that helps fix the issue. You can also update your drivers by going over to the NVIDIA app directly, and then going over to drivers and hitting download if there's an update. And then if you're on AMD, you can just use the AMD equivalent app instead. And then again, I recommend restarting your PC as well. So that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.